name it. Chose him before he could say it. I can't help feeling like he needed. You know
This is what my room looks like when you first walk in, and then the first thing I have is one of these little picture board things, and this is from Hobby Lobby. Then on this side I have my shoe rack. So on the first shelf I have just a pair of lubes and another pair of shoes that's in the box, and then I have one of my bags in 2 boxes. And this little canvas thing is from TJ Maxx. It's just a makeup canvas. And then on this rack I just have some dirty ass Balenciagas, some Louis pair of heels. These aren't all my shoes. Most of my stuff is still at school because I honestly thought I was going back to school. Then I just have this white rug. It's from TJ Maxx. Yeah. It's from TJ Maxx or Home Goods. This is the size of the rug. And then I just have some more bags right here and a pair of shoes. Then this is my dresser. It is from IKEA. This is my favorite candle in the whole wide world. It just smells so fresh. It just so good. It will literally, you just have to smell it. It's good. Then I have one of these canvases that I actually made. Well, I bought the Good Vibe side and added the glitter because it was just boring. Then I have this XL. It's kind of broke, but it is from TJ Maxx as well. Then I just have a softball that I used to use for my pigeon drills inside the house, and I just had like positive quotes on it. Then I just have an Eiffel Tower that is probably from TJ Maxx as well, and some more bags or whatever that is over there. I have these curtains, which they don't really go in my room, but they kind of go in my room, that I just stole out of my mom's office because they are blackout and I hate sun in my face when I wake up. So yeah, this is my bed. My bed frame itself is from Wayfair, and then the comforter is from Home Goods. I'll try to find a link for the bed if I can. And then I just have 2 blankets, which are from TJ Maxx. The pink one is from TJ Maxx and the gray one's from Home Goods. Then I have these 2 gold pillows, which are from Home Goods as well. And these pillows right here, the ruffly pillows, are also from Home Goods. I'll try to find my bed frame. And then I have this canvas that's from TJ Maxx. It just says it's okay to love your shoes more than people. Then I just have my vanity. So my desk is from IKEA. It's the Alex drawers, and then I bought the tabletop, which is the longer one. I'll try to link all of this below as well. It's the longer one, and my chair is from Home Goods, but I got this from Home Goods in Florida. Then over here, I just have some more bags. This is probably like a wallet or something. Then I have Clorox wipes because Rona, even though you should have been cleaning your room before Rona. Then I have my makeup basket from school because I'm too lazy to organize my drawers back because I thought I was going back to school, but joke's on me. Then this candle from TJ Maxx, my Fenty deodorant. This is one of my favorite perfumes. It's the Princess by Killian, and I love it. It's the Sephora collection. And then I have a sample of another one of my favorite perfumes. I can't pronounce it, so do not ask me. But this is the name of it, and it's by Louis Vuitton, and it smells so good. But I have the sample because it's like $400. Then I have my facial oil, and then I have 3 candles and my everyday curly hair products that I use. Then I just have a mirror that is from TJ Maxx. And then I have this canvas that says when nothing goes right, go left. I have an old makeup brush set and another bag, which I don't know what's in that bag. And one of my wallets, purses. And then I have my pencil case because I was doing schoolwork. It just says get chick done. Then I have my tripod. Then over here is normally my dirty clothes basket, but of course all my clothes are dirty, so it ain't in here right now. But I have my cheerbook bag. And then this is my closet. And yeah, that's it for my room tour. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if there's anything you want to see or anything you want me to go into detail in. Bye, y'all.